The Galaxy Note's demise has been the subject of intense recent speculation, with rumors that Samsung is ending the Note line in favor of the Galaxy Z Fold line. This is all rumor and conjecture at this point, but we have multiple separate sources including Ice Universe, Maximum Winbatch, 9to5 Google, and multiple South Korean sources claiming the Galaxy Note 20 could be Samsung's last Note release. But it seems there is still hope for the Galaxy Note 21 next year according to a well-known analyst. According to this Twitter user who posts information from South Korean websites, the Galaxy Note 21 and Note 21 Ultra will be launched in September next year. The discontinuation will happen after the Note 21, meaning the Note 21 and Note 21 Ultra will be the last Galaxy Note. It would be launched alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 3 at September's Unpacked event where the Z Fold 3 will be the center of attraction. Now, since this guy has absolutely no track record, you'll be inclined to believe that this is a baseless tweet and has zero credibility. But what gives this rumor some legitimacy is Ross Young. He is a well-known display analyst who has been right multiple times in the past. He replied to this tweet, saying that he heard similar things. Now, this is great news, that there's hope for another Galaxy Note. But I still want you to take it with a heavy dose of skepticism, because there are some inconsistencies with this tweet. For one, he's saying the Note 21 will be released in September. He says the Note 21 and the Z Fold 3 will be launched together in the same Unpacked event. Now we heard a few days ago that Samsung is planning to launch the Z Fold 3 in June. June launch makes sense for the Fold 3, since Samsung has moved up the launch of the S21 in January. So if they are launching the Note 21 in June, then there's absolutely no way they are going to release the handset to the public 2 months after the event in September. And that's the reason I didn't make the video as soon as he made the tweet, but since a lot of you were asking me whether or not it's true, I decided to talk about it. So if you ask me, I would rather believe Ice Universe, Maximum, 9to5 Google, and that Samsung executive who told that big Korean website that they are discontinuing the Note line as soon as next year than this guy who has no track record. But as a hardcore Galaxy Note fan, I would still like to keep my hopes up that these rumors are not right until Samsung themselves come forward and confirm this news. Until then, I will keep my fingers crossed. I honestly think that foldables are the future, and I most certainly will upgrade to the Z Fold 3 when they release it next year. But the problem is foldables are yet to take off, and the biggest reason for that is their exorbitant price. The sales of the Z Fold Lineup are nowhere near the Note Lineup, and thus it doesn't seem like a good idea to axe the Note series in 2021. Next to Apple's iPhone, the Galaxy Note brand is one of the most iconic phone lines ever released. It stated the whole phablet trend, popularized the S Pen, and it was usually a much more exciting prospect than the Galaxy S update that preceded it. So getting rid of it is absolutely going to suck, but at least the S Pen lives on, and if they can manage to get its foldable phone prices down in line with what it would normally charge for a Galaxy Note phone, then this wouldn't hurt that much. Anyway, let me know what do you think down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.